Let me show you how to create a comic book pop art style from a photo in Photoshop. The first step is open your crop tool and click on the width, height and resolution. In the width field, type in 1000 pixels. And for the height, 1000 pixels. And for the resolution, type in 150 pixel inch. Now, drag your photo to a position you like. To crop the width, highlight the amount. And hold down your down arrow key on your keyboard. When you're happy with your photo's size and position, hit Enter or Return on the keyboard. Then press Ctrl-0 to fit on screen. Go to Layer panel. Make 2 copies of your photo by pressing Ctrl-J twice. Turn off the top layer. Right-click on the first copy layer and convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and choose the Filter Gallery. Open the Artistic folder and choose Poster Edges. I'll make the edge thickness 2, the edge intensity 1, and the posterization 2. Then click OK. Click the FX icon and open the blending options. Click Stroke. Then click Reset to Default. Click the color box and choose white. Then click OK. Increase the size to 27 pixels. Click Inner Glow. Click Reset to Default. Click the color box and choose black. Then click OK. Change the blend mode to normal. And the opacity to 100%. Make the choke 100%. And the size 32 pixels. Then click OK. Increase its color vibrancy. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the vibrance. Drag vibrance slider all the way to the right. Then close Properties panel. Turn on the top layer. Right-click and choose the Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Pixelate and Color Halftone. Make the radius to 6 or 8 pixels. And keep the screen angles at their default amounts. Then click OK. Change the blend mode to Soft Light. And this is the result.